Hi, yes. Can I order a burger, please? Hello, welcome back to the show. So, Adidas released this dope pair on the 12th of February, which I ordered through their online store. And it actually arrived in the mail on Wednesday. And I must say that's some speedy delivery from Adidas. So, kudos to them. And by the date of the release, you can probably guess what these are. So, let's get right into it. From the sides first. Yeah, that's probably the best way to do it. Ta-da! The Adidas ZX10000 Krusty burgers. Oh god. Box is still just as boring. Come on, Adidas. Really, again with this white box. A bit creative, can or not? So most of you might already know Adidas has been releasing a slew of ZX models in conjunction with their A to Z series. A total of 26 pairs, like the 26 letters in the alphabet. Hence A to ZX, right? They've already released 20 pairs from the collection with 6 more on the way. So this one that I have right here is the 20th pair from the line, because I'm guessing, The Simpsons is from 20th Century Fox. So, 20, I guess, I don't know, probably, I'm probably right. I don't know. Adidas, am I right? So let's open this. See, right off the bat, you can see Adidas, the Simpsons branding. See? They've even included the 20th Century Fox logo. See, at least they gave the shoe wrappers a bit of attention. Oh, can we open this? Oh. Ooh. That's nice. Oh, check it out. See? Oh, these are actually metal. So this is actually, if you can see, this is the for the lace locks right in front here. They actually gave a couple so you can interchange. I think that's pretty cool. It's metal, which is nice. Oh, this too is normal plastic. Yang ni metal lah. I probably am gonna swap out the crusty ones. So as you can tell by the name and how the sneaker looks, it clearly draws inspiration from Krusty the Clown's famous burger joint from the show. Just by the color association alone, as you can see, the color hits, you can tell it's a Krusty burger, right? So the turquoise on the stripes, see, and on the heel section, clearly taken from Krusty's hair. See how they did that? That's pretty nice. I like that. The bulu bit. The toe box is a white nylon type material. This, I think this is from Krusty's makeup, like the white makeup, right? I'm not sure what material it is though. It does seem like the Adi print, but I could be wrong. So the brown colored section are actually canvas. With this, I think, representing the sesame seeds on the burger buns. Thought that's pretty cute. The Adidas torsion logo is glued to the sides of this pink suede. I think it's suede. I don't think it's suede. The pink, I believe, is from Krusty's collar t-shirt that he wears. So topping the sneaker off, as you can see, are these thick black lines. You see, I'm guessing it is to represent how the characters are being drawn from the show. It kind of gives it a more cartoony feel to it, which I kind of like. You can tell from afar it has that cartoon aesthetics to it. A pretty loud sneaker, as you know. I do love my loud sneakers, but as loud as this is, it does seem to go well together. The color combinations doesn't look out of place, though it does look a bit cartoony, but everything kind of comes together. I can't explain it. I mean, on pictures, if you see the shoes online, it does look a bit weird, but holding it in hand with the combination of the materials and the color hits, as well as how the colors all come together, does make the shoe look nicer in person than it is on screen. Unfortunately, you guys can't head down to the stores to look at it because this thing sold out in like 5 minutes. I went online, so I actually bought a 7.5, which is a half size smaller than what I would usually wear because size 8 ran out, so I had to opt for a true to size, which is a 7.5. But when I wear 7.5, it's actually a bit snug. I mean, what lah, but I need to wear thin socks, if not my feet are going to hurt. I really have to give it to Adidas. They really put a bit of thought into this one. It's not just a half-ass slap a Krusty Burger logo or Krusty the Clown face type design and calling it a day. They really put effort into making all the weird colors of Krusty the Clown and combining them into the ZX model. And oddly enough, all the colors just kind of come together in a very weird harmony. You can tell I really like the shoe because it's loud, but it is actually a nice pair. Well, that's such for today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Adidas ZX10000 Krusty Burger. If you want to see the whole range of the Adidas A to ZX campaign line, I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. As always, please stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.